When you're catering to a large crowd, a reliable, high-capacity coffee maker is essential. This Vevor Commercial Coffee Urn makes it simple, efficient, and enjoyable to serve freshly brewed coffee to a group without frequent refills or worrying about maintaining heat. With a 10-quart stainless steel capacity and the ability to serve up to 65 cups quickly, this electric coffee urn is designed for smooth operation, easy maintenance, and exceptional durability. Why choose the Vevor Commercial Coffee Urn? If you frequently host large gatherings or need a consistent coffee source for a busy office, the Vevor Commercial Coffee Urn is a fantastic choice. It combines a sleek design with heavy-duty performance to meet your coffee demands efficiently. Designed with time-saving features and high-quality materials, this urn will simplify your coffee service while maintaining professional standards. Here's why you should consider it. 1. Efficiency. Brew large volumes quickly without sacrificing flavor. 2. Durability. Double-layer stainless steel ensures a long-lasting investment. 3. User-friendly. Easy operation with an intuitive spout, temperature controls, and a water gauge. 4. Versatility. Perfect for coffee, hot chocolate, tea, and more. 5. Cost-effective. No need for paper filters and minimal maintenance. Why the Vevor Commercial Coffee Urn stands out. Key features and benefits. 1. Fast, consistent brewing. Serve 65 cups with ease. Hosting large gatherings has never been easier than with the Vevor Commercial Coffee Urn. This powerful machine only takes 1 minute to brew a single cup, ensuring your guests won't be waiting long for their coffee fix. In less than an hour, you can serve up to 65 5-ounce cups, each bursting with rich, full flavor. Its quick brew rate and high capacity make it an ideal choice for busy events, conferences, and office gatherings where coffee is in constant demand. 2. User-friendly dispensing. Every drop counts. The Vevor Coffee Urn spout is designed to prevent waste and spills, allowing users to dispense coffee effortlessly. It features a unique, easy-to-press lever that can be pushed in one direction for single-cup servings or the opposite for continuous flow, making it versatile for guests' individual preferences. This thoughtful design lets you pour each cup without tipping or tilting the urn, ensuring that every ounce is enjoyed without mess or fuss. 3. Temperature control. Keeps coffee warm all day. The Vevor urn maintains an optimal serving temperature between 90 to 98 degrees Celsius, perfect for keeping coffee hot while preserving its natural flavors. Equipped with an indicator light for added convenience, the green light signals warm mode and the red light shows heating mode. This simple visual alert system means you'll always know the status of your coffee, making it effortless to keep coffee piping hot without compromising on taste. Durability is essential for any commercial appliance, and Vevor has constructed this urn with double-layer, food-grade stainless steel to ensure long-lasting quality. Unlike other coffee urns, this one comes with an integrated metal filter, meaning no more disposable paper filters. This not only saves costs, but also enhances the flavor of each cup by allowing essential oils from the coffee to pass through. The stainless steel body ensures the urn remains resistant to rust, scratches, and dents, making it a reliable choice for commercial settings or frequent use. Convenient water gauge for monitoring levels. An easy-to-read water level gauge helps you keep track of the coffee supply. You'll know exactly when it's time to refill without opening the lid, saving time and reducing the chance of spills. This feature is ideal for busy events where checking inside the urn can be disruptive or inconvenient. Drip tray and spill-proof lid for added safety. The Vevor urn also includes a drip tray, which keeps the serving area tidy and free of drips. Plus, the spill-proof lid and anti-scald handle add extra layers of safety, ensuring that guests and staff alike can handle the urn without risk of burns or mess. Whether it's an office meeting, a wedding reception, or an outdoor gathering, the Vevor Coffee Urn's versatile design makes it suitable for any occasion. Use it not only for coffee, but also for hot chocolate, tea, or other hot beverages, adding convenience and variety to your service. This coffee urn is an all-in-one solution for various gatherings, bringing ease to hosting events of all sizes. Final verdict. With its quick brewing speed, large capacity, and high-quality construction, the Vevor Commercial Coffee Urn is a valuable addition to any event or workspace where hot coffee is essential. By keeping your coffee warm and readily available, it enhances both the efficiency and enjoyment of any gathering. Reliable, durable, and easy to use, this urn provides exceptional value and performance. If you're ready to upgrade your coffee service for a seamless experience, the Vevor Coffee Urn delivers an exceptional brewing solution that will keep guests and employees satisfied with every pour. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.